Have you ever wondered how many types of numbers exist in mathematics and what they mean? Well, today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of numbers, breaking down each type, their examples, and their notations. Firstly, we have natural numbers denoted as n. These include the positive integers used for counting such as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Next are whole numbers, represented as w. These are the non-negative integers that include 0 and all the natural numbers. So numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, and onwards fall under this category. Then we have the integers, symbolized as z. These encompass the positive and negative whole numbers and 0. So numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth are integers. Moving forward, we come across rational numbers denoted as q. These numbers can be written as a ratio of two integers. Numbers like 21, 43, 0.25, -1.5, and so on are examples of rational numbers. Interestingly, all integers are also rational numbers, as they can be written as a ratio of themselves and 1. Next in line are the irrational numbers, symbolized as I. These numbers cannot be written as a ratio of two integers and have infinite and non-repeating decimal expansions. Numbers like square root of 2, pi, and e are examples of irrational numbers. Then we have real numbers, represented as r. These numbers can be represented by points on a number line and include all the rational and irrational numbers. Numbers like -2.3, 65, 3, and so on are real numbers. The penultimate category is of imaginary numbers, denoted as I. These numbers are multiples of the square root of -1, denoted by I. Numbers like 2i, -3i, 5i, and so on are examples of imaginary numbers. They find their use in representing complex phenomena like electrical currents and waves. Finally, we have complex numbers, symbolized as c. These numbers have a real part and an imaginary part and can be written in the form a plus by, where a and b are real numbers and I is the imaginary unit. Numbers like 1 plus 2i, -3 minus 4i, 0 plus I, and so on are complex numbers. They are used to model various mathematical and physical problems. So, to summarize, we have 8 main types of numbers in mathematics: natural, whole, integers, rational, irrational, real, imaginary, and complex. Each has its own unique properties and applications, making them indispensable in various mathematical and physical phenomena. Understanding these different types of numbers can help us better comprehend the world around us and solve problems in a more efficient and effective manner. Now, the next time someone asks you about numbers, you'll have a lot more to discuss than just counting from 1 to 10.